Yeah, I think I was looking at that one.
That's the one.
I think that's the one I want. Yeah. I got the spicy green onion with curly noodles. Look at it. Yay. So good. Ben got the regular tonkotsu.
Like the hakata style
The
noodles.
hakata style
Like
noodles.
thin noodles.
Yeah.
So fired up.
And then Sarah got the dry noodles, the soupless noodles. Bye. Aaron is not here because he went to the Nintendo
Bye.
store.
Oh, that looks really good. Hot. No way.
17 out of how many? What's Aaron? 6?
6.
That's good. Decoration time. What is happening? Cute, Sarah. Ben's side is a little questionable. Hey, no. Jump scare.
No, leave it.
I don't know what we were going for here.
I got it.
It's done. We got it.
Yeah.
Right? I wonder if I'll use that.
Did you eat it?
Hold
Make
that.
it.
Hi, the sausage is so snappy.
Salt is so good.
Try it. Get a bit of cabbage on it.
Is it good?
I love. Such a good boy or girl. So pretty here. I feel like the city's nice. It's like really lively in the cities with a lot of people and the lights and everything, but I feel like once in a while it's really nice to be in nature. Just get away from really big crowds and just like walk along the beach.
I definitely feel like this is more my speed. I'm not a very big city person.
And the weather is really good. It's a lot better than we expected. So. Dang, look at that.
Yeah.
Man.
The hamburger is so good. So juicy. Whoa, it's like a deep fried sweet potato. Mmm. This is really good. Okay, our original plan to get bikes here failed because they're closed, but we found one. Thanks, Sarah. Sarah found one 15 minutes away from here by bus, so we're gonna bus there. We already reserved our bikes, and then we can actually have our dream bike ride. We're gonna bike along the ocean. It's gonna be so nice. Are we ready to bike? Aaron's ready to bike. He's got his headband on. We're gonna get our bikes. We made it to our bike shop. Nice. This map is so pretty. Oh. And our bike. First stop.
How was
We
biking?
made it. So tires are a little flat, so it's a bit hard to bike. It's a little scary, like biking on the road because the road is pretty narrow, but the cars leave enough room for us, so I think
Yeah.
it's okay. How are you feeling?
Feel okay. I'm nervous. I haven't biked in so long. It's definitely a fun vibe.
These colored stone. Very cool shop. So fun. The air is so fresh here, warm, super freeing. Whee! I love downhills. The cars going by are a little scary though. They're going really fast. Whee! Yay!
I might go in these woods.
There's literally no one at this beach. It's just us. Should we dip our feet in now? Oh, no one else to be seen except a wild Ben. How was it? Yeah, how cold is it?
It's nicer and less shocking than Tofino in the summer.
Woo! It feels so nice here. This beach is empty and the water is so clear. It feels amazing. I love Fukuoka. So far, Fukuoka I think might be my favorite place we've been this year. It's just so beautiful. Lots of good food, lots of good nature, amazing beaches with our friends. Ben's living his best life, just swimming around. Sarah's making a rock garden.
Watch this. Rock garden is about working with adversities.
Oh. There goes Ben again. Let's see how many rocks Ben ends up climbing today. Careful! Bye, beach. Thank you for an amazing day. You will be missed. Best day at the beach.
Best day.
Now we have to go home, sadly.
Sad.
We got a bike back.